How to change team name on FPL app. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about changing your team name on Fantasy Premier League FPL. So for that, you need to go ahead and install the latest version of FPL application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. But before that, go ahead and launch any web browser that you want to. Then after, go to fantasy.premierleague.com, and once you're in its official website, log into your account. And once you do that, go to the pick team section, that is between home and transfers. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page. Under the admin section, you will find team details. Tap on that. Now you can type in your new team name. And once you've entered the new name that you'd like to set, scroll down and click on update details and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. This is how you can change your team name on FPL. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again in the next one.